Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm going outside. I met my friend. He has a new watch to show you, and he's got a Milgauss, but it's not with the green crystal on it. So I don't know. Will you be disappointed? But I'm here to disappoint. So I have a new tripod. These gorilla pods, little ones, are the best. Recently I bought a medium size, and it's like a crap. And yeah, now I have my tripod. I'm gonna put it in my nutsack, and I'm going outside so we can show you this Milgauss he has. Alright, guys, I have my nutsack. Always don't leave the house without your nutsack. And I also have a trash to take out. Always remember to take out the trash or else.
Może mało, no trochę.
Może, złoty.
Burek.
Yeah.
Show us the watch.
Come on, show us the watch. Show us the watch.
He needs to get his daily dose of burek first.
And yogurt.
And yogurt. Burek sucks without yogurt.
Yeah. Then maybe watches. Maybe.
Maybe my ass. We came here to see the watch. Was that fisting?
You idiot.
You have a double fisting.
Here's the watch.
Burek.
Just a simple watch.
Yeah. Doesn't even have a green crystal.
No extra functions, no nothing.
Go.
Just all the time. Just all the
Yeah.
time. No date. No complications.
I heard that the BMW drivers don't have blinkers. Turn signals.
I know
What do you have to say about that?
We have it, just we don't use it a lot.
Slightly used. I heard they're selling it on eBay. Slightly used.
Yeah, most of them are slightly used. But we have them.
Peugeot, typical car, you can see it here. Peugeot. Dacia, Hall of Famer. Passat, another Hall of Famer in Europe. Yeah, I have a European audience, you know that? No, I have American audience mainly. Where's that burek? Oh, we have a Focus. Snake skin. Milgauss. BMW. Bearded bastard. Can you please explain to us people who don't know what burek is? What is burek?
It is a pie with meat.
It's a pie with meat. It's a meat pie.
It's simple explanation. Pie with meat.
Pie with meat.
But it's
Pie
science.
with meat.
It's science.
Burek is the best. Seriously, find a Bosnian joint, go there and ask for Burek. With
Turn that
yogurt.
off. I'm hungry.
Need to take a photo for his Instagram.
For my family.
For hipster. This is a bearded hipster. So yeah, we have here meat pie and yogurt. So Bosnian delight.
Bosnian delight.
Can we get a watch while you eat burek?
We're gonna
We wanna check out the watch.
turn on the matrix.
Yeah. Give us the watch. We eat the burek. You eat the burek, and we check out the watch.
Dobra.
So what can you tell us about the watch? This is Rolex Milgauss.
Milgauss,
What reference?
I really do not know. I
Yeah.
have it on writing somewhere,
I will give you the reference, guys.
but I think you know.
So, how do you like the watch?
You asking me?
Yeah.
I'm eating, man. It's a beautiful watch. It's the watch I use daily.
Can you speak up? I don't have an external mic, so you need to speak up.
Okay, I use this watch daily. I wear it almost every day. It's my favorite, my personal favorite. It's very simple.
It's your new favorite. And
New favorite.
yeah,
but
he has
for
a
now
lot of
it's-
watches. You saw his.
For now,
They
it's,
just
it's my personal favorite. It has absolutely no complications, except that protections, blah blah blah, Milgauss or something like that. But it's basically very
Just a
simple watch.
cool
and,
watch.
Very simple, cool, reliable watch. I like it because it's very, how do you say it? Readable.
Legible. It's very legible.
Legible. When I drive, it has a black dial.
It's a nice contrast.
Yeah, nice
Black
contrast.
dial, white indices.
I like that. I like
Do
that.
they glow in the dark?
It does, but it doesn't have as good lume as some Seiko watches.
Yeah.
But it glows. It
Seiko
glows,
is
but not,
unbeatable.
yeah, but not for so long time. But for me, it's not that important.
Okay.
Beautiful, simple, everything I need from watch.
Okay, now I'm gonna crank up my new tripod and check this puppy out. So guys, finally, I have a Milgauss in my hands, and you all know the story about the Milgauss. It's first major innovation about the Milgauss is in the heart of Milgauss resistance to magnetic interference is the shield inside the case, and it's made of iron, soft iron, or was the Rolex likes to say ferromagnetic alloys selected by Rolex, but it's basically iron cage. It surrounds and protects the movement, and symbol for magnetic flux density, the capital letter B with an arrow, is engraved in this magnetic shield, but that's something only Rolex watchmakers can see, or if you crank open the movement, it is there to be seen. The movement is 3131 caliber, self-winding automatic movement, and it's just a perfect watch, and I gotta say, this is my favorite Milgauss. I would prefer it to be with that has a green crystal, but other than that, black dial just works for me. I don't like that Z blue dial with the green and the orange. I think it doesn't really work together, but the black one and orange just works. And other than that, just a nice little modern Rolex, 40mm Rolex that sits perfectly on the wrist. You can see it's beautiful, and this can be your perfect everyday watch. As my friend said, he uses it every day. It's his new favorite watch. And the big thing about this one, I like it. It doesn't have a date, so it's just a perfect, no nonsense watch to have, and it's a watch that watch enthusiasts will pick up. Many people buy Rolex watches because um, because they want a Rolex. But this watch, people who you see someone wears this watch, he didn't buy it by mistake. This watch was bought by someone who likes watches, by an enthusiast. And reference number is 116400 400. And here you can see what next to my Tudor, and these two are perfect two watches. But this Milgauss can definitely work for every occasion. This can be your only watch you have, your only Rolex, and it can work for every occasion. And speaking about this, secondhand, I knew it will be cool, but one cannot just stop looking at it gliding across the dial, and it's so funky and it's so cool that it adds a little bit of extra touch and extra flavor to this watch, and makes it so cool. And it just says, I'm not your ordinary Oyster Perpetual Rolex. And regarding the quality, I don't think I don't need to spend too much words on that. It's a Rolex. Quality is outstanding. They have a new, improved, upgraded bracelet with the polished center links and brushed and outside links, and the new clasp is just nice and feels perfect. It's just so much comfortable watch, and it's not too big, it's not too small. Just a perfect watch for every occasion, and a perfect watch in any collection. Whether you have 5 Rolexes, this can be the one that can round them all up, or whether you have one watch or you just want one Rolex, but you don't want to say I bought a Rolex, like the case with the story. Oh, when someone said, "Oh, nice Mariner," no, it's a Rolex. So this is watch that someone who buys it is a truly someone who likes watches. So that's it for me, guys. Tell me, what do you think? Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.